Our world is a blue planet, its vast oceans connecting us all. For centuries, humanity has relied on the sea for food, resources, and trade. But these waters are not always calm. They are arenas of challenge and competition. Nations have built ships not just for travel, but to protect their interests. These vessels are more than wood or steel. They are symbols of strength, silently patrolling the deep blue. In 2025, the need for these guardians is greater than ever. Modern warships have evolved into floating cities of advanced technology. They move with quiet power, unseen but ever present. These ships ensure the arteries of global trade remain open and secure. Ready to respond to threats far from shore, they are hidden by the curve of the earth. Imagine a creature perfectly adapted to its environment, strong, fast, intelligent, able to see for miles and strike with precision. This is the modern warship, the pinnacle of human ingenuity. Built to survive hostile conditions, they face both the fury of the ocean and the cunning of rivals. Their evolution mirrors our own technological progress, from wooden hulls to sleek, silent hunters, packed with computers and missiles. Their journey is a story of adaptation. These ships harness energy, information, and new materials to master their environment. To understand them is to understand our interconnected, powerful world. They are the unseen guardians of our global community. Their presence is a testament to our desire for security and mastery of the seas. The story of these ships is the story of our world. Oceans are the lifeblood of our global economy, with shipping lanes forming a complex web across the planet. Massive container ships carry nearly everything we use: food, fuel, cars, clothes. This flow of goods keeps our world running, but it's fragile and must be protected. Dangers abound. Piracy, territorial disputes, and narrow choke points like the Suez Canal threaten stability. The vastness of the sea makes it difficult to police, giving cover to smugglers and illegal fishing operations. These actions threaten both security and the health of the ocean. Patrolling such immense areas requires ships that can stay at sea for long periods and see what others cannot. Modern navies face a world of complex, ever-changing threats. Their mission is no longer just about great battles, but about maintaining order and security every day. They must deter aggression, stop pirates, and track smugglers, all with the same ship. Versatility is key. A warship must handle everything from high-stakes standoffs to small-scale crime. The sea's openness is both a challenge and a call for constant vigilance. Navies are stabilizing presences in an unstable world. Their ships are the front line against chaos on the high seas. The stakes are global and the need for protection is constant. The world's oceans demand guardianship now more than ever. What gives a modern warship its power? It's not just size or weaponry, but the technology at its core. The heart of the ship is its power plant, gas turbines or even nuclear reactors generating immense electricity. This energy drives everything: propulsion, sensors, and advanced weapons. The ship is covered in domes and panels, radar and sensor arrays, its eyes and ears. These systems detect threats from hundreds of miles away, day or night, in any weather. Modern materials, special alloys and composites make ships strong, light, and stealthy. Radar-absorbent coatings and angled surfaces scatter enemy signals, making the ship nearly invisible. Inside, fiber optic cables form a nervous system, moving data at light speed. Sensors, command centers, and weapons are all linked, allowing instant response. The crew can see, identify, and react to threats in seconds. The ship acts as a single, integrated system, thinking and fighting as one. This fusion of power, sensors, and information is the warship's true advantage. It's more than a platform for guns, it's a node in a global network. Every element is designed for survival and dominance in hostile environments. The modern warship is a marvel of engineering and adaptation. Its strength lies in the seamless integration of technology and human skill. This is the heart of naval power today. The future belongs to those who master this fusion. The offensive power of today's warships is astonishing. Lasers, once science fiction, are now real, firing beams of energy at the speed of light to disable drones or blind enemy sensors. Hypersonic missiles travel over a mile per second, nearly impossible to intercept, striking targets hundreds of miles away in minutes. These weapons shift the balance of power at sea, giving enemies little time to react. Drone swarms, dozens or hundreds of autonomous machines can overwhelm defenses, scout vast areas, or deliver explosive charges. This new warfare relies on numbers, speed, and coordinated intelligence. Commanders now have a spectrum of options: non-lethal lasers, devastating missiles, or swarming drones. The ship is no longer a single point of power, but the center of a web of influence. Its reach extends for hundreds of miles in every direction. Each weapon is a tool for a specific job: de-escalation, precision strike, or area control. The future fleet is flexible, unpredictable, and deadly. Warships can now control the battle space in ways never before possible. The offensive sting of the modern fleet is both visible and invisible. Technology has redefined what it means to project power at sea. The next generation of naval warfare is already here. The only limit is human imagination. The future belongs to those who innovate. For every new weapon, there's a new defense. Modern warships are fortresses at sea, protected by layers of invisible shields. Stealth is the first layer. Angled surfaces and radar-absorbent materials make ships hard to find. Noise reduction turns them into ghosts, silent and unseen. If detected, advanced radar systems spot threats from afar. Interceptor missiles launched to destroy incoming weapons mid-air. Chaff clouds confuse enemy guidance systems. Close-in weapon systems, robotic Gatling guns, shred threats at the last second. Railguns, using electromagnetic force, launch slugs at incredible speeds for devastating defense. All these layers work together: stealth, long-range interceptors, mid-range defenses, and close-in systems. The ship is designed to survive attacks from any direction, at any time, at incredible speeds. Its survival depends on instant, intelligent response. This is a shield made of technology and lightning-fast computation. The modern warship is as much about defense as offense. In a world of constant threats, its invisible shield is its greatest asset. A modern warship is more than hardware, it has a brain. The ship's combat system fuses data from radar, sonar, and cameras into a single clear picture. The crew sees one display, not a dozen confusing screens. Integrated systems enable rapid, informed decisions. Artificial intelligence now plays a crucial role, analyzing patterns and detecting threats faster than any human. AI can sift through hundreds of contacts, flagging dangers for the commander. This partnership between human and machine is the future of naval command. The AI handles data, humans think strategically. The commander becomes a manager of complex information, not just a ship driver. Trust in the system is essential, but so is understanding its limits. The warship's mind is a blend of human experience and machine logic. Together, they outthink any opponent. A single warship's power multiplies when it joins a networked fleet. Modern navies are fully connected, sharing information in real time via secure links. One ship's radar can alert the entire fleet, creating a unified defense. Specialized ships, anti-submarine, anti-aircraft, share their strengths, protecting each other. The network extends to aircraft, satellites, and drones, all nodes in the same system. A satellite might spot a missile launch. A drone provides surveillance. A jet is guided by ship radar. The result is a force greater than the sum of its parts. Commanders gain a god's eye view, moving assets like chess pieces for maximum effect. The ocean becomes a medium for a vast, invisible network. This connectivity is the modern fleet's strategic advantage. The future of naval power is collaboration across the waves. The evolution of warships is accelerating. Unmanned vessels are emerging. Small boats today, large crewless warships tomorrow. These robotic ships can perform dangerous missions for months, keeping humans out of harm's way. New power systems, smaller reactors, revolutionary tech are being developed to meet energy demands. The goal ships that generate more power, run quietly, and stay at sea longer. But new tech brings tough questions. Who's responsible when an AI ship uses force? How do we ensure safety and reliability? Hypersonic weapons and space-based sensors mean crises can unfold in minutes. Technology is outpacing our rules and ethics. These are the challenges of the new naval age. The choices we make now will shape the future of power and conflict at sea. The next era of naval warfare is being written today. The story of the warship mirrors our journey as a species. From simple boats to AI-driven destroyers, these vessels represent the peak of human ingenuity. Today's ships are faster, stealthier, and smarter than ever. They are armed with weapons that travel at the speed of light and protected by invisible shields. Their purpose remains to keep peace, deter aggression, and protect global trade. Naval power is more crucial and complex than ever before. The tides of power shift, and ships evolve with them. Tomorrow's vessels may be robotic and powered by new energy, but their mission endures. They are the silent guardians of our global commons. As long as there are oceans, humanity will look to these ships as our unseen protectors.